Welcome back to Explore on Wheels. In today's video, we're diving into one of the biggest questions for van life and travel lovers: luxury versus budget motorhomes. Which one is right for you? From the spacious and high-tech AVs in the United States to the compact and practical campers across Europe, we'll break it all down so you can make the right choice for your lifestyle and budget. Let's start with luxury motorhomes. These are often built on large RV platforms, offering full-sized kitchens, private bedrooms, entertainment systems, and even smart home features. They are perfect if you want comfort, long-term travel, and that true home away from home experience. But they come at a cost. Not just the higher price tag, but also fuel consumption and the challenge of driving such a large vehicle, especially on narrow European roads. Now, let's look at budget campers. In Europe, compact motorhomes and campervans are extremely popular. They are easy to drive, fuel-efficient, and affordable for weekend trips or short-term adventures. While they may not have all the luxury amenities, budget motorhomes focus on functionality and practicality, perfect for beginners, solo travelers, or couples looking to explore without breaking the bank. So, which one is right for you? If you're planning cross-country road trips in the US with family, a luxury motorhome might be worth it. But if you're traveling across Europe or want to keep your budget low, a compact camper could be the smarter choice. And that's our breakdown of luxury versus budget motorhomes. Which one would you choose? A spacious luxury RV or a compact budget camper? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Explore on Wheels, and turn on notifications so you never miss our motorhome and van life updates.